Hello dear viewers, today I'll be sharing with you the top 5 washing machines of 2024, which have become an indispensable part of our homes. Washing machines have become essential household appliances that make our lives easier, save us time, and support us in keeping things clean. However, with numerous options available in the market, making the right decision can sometimes be challenging. That's why today, I'll be showing you the best washing machines of 2024. These machines stand out with their performance, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features. They not only wash clothes, but also draw attention with their environmentally friendly designs. Together, we'll take a detailed look at these machines to help you find the one that's perfect for your home. If you're looking for clean, hygienic, and timely laundry, this video is just for you. Are you ready to explore the best washing machines? Let's get started right away. Beko Recycled Tub WTL94151W with a generous 9 kg capacity and a respectable 1,400 RPM spin speed, this washing machine offers great value for money. Users not only praise its low noise level, but also its performance and variety of wash cycles. The quick wash feature stands out, capable of washing a full 9 kg load in just 28 minutes or a smaller 2 kg load in 14 minutes. In addition to standard wash cycles, there's an anti-allergy cycle endorsed by Allergy UK, perfect for those sensitive to pollen, dust mites, and pet hair. The Stain Expert cycle tackles stubborn stains, while the Sports Wash cycle caters to active individuals. With its intuitive interface and large, easy-to-load porthole, this washing machine is designed for simplicity and convenience. Hisense WFQA 9014EVJM. With rising concerns about electricity bills, having a washer that's easy on the wallet is a relief. And according to online reviewers, the Hisense is not only budget-friendly, but also impressively quiet during operation and straightforward to use, making it a versatile choice for any household. For larger families, the spacious 9 kg drum capacity is a welcome feature. Additionally, the pause and add function allows you to stop the sickly briefly within the first 10 minutes to add any forgotten items, an added convenience that many appreciate. While the 1,400 RPM spin speed is commendable, it may not be the most efficient compared to other options in this lineup. With 15 wash programs available, including a quick 15-minute wash and steam cycles designed to eliminate bacteria and odors, the Hisense offers versatility to meet various laundry needs. These steam cycles are particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers or households with young children, ensuring a thorough clean and peace of mind. Bosch Series 4 WGG-R4409GB. You don't have to break the bank for top-of-the-line models to save on running costs. Bosch is renowned for its reliable laundry appliances, and this washer is no exception. With a spacious 9 kg capacity, you'll be able to tackle laundry loads more efficiently. Plus, with adjustable temperature and spin speed settings, you can tailor each wash to your specific needs. And let's not forget the Eco-Silence drive motor, ensuring a quieter laundry experience compared to older machines. Worried about water consumption? Fear not. The Active Water Plus technology intelligently manages water usage, so you only use what you need, making it ideal for those with water meters. In terms of programs, this washer has it all, including a convenient speed-perfect option that shortens wash cycles, allowing you to finish a full load in around an hour. And for those tough stains, the ultra-fast 15 and 30-minute cycles provide an extra boost of cleaning power. Miele WWR860WPS. At the forefront is the innovative M-Touch TFT color display, a sleek touchscreen interface that offers a modern and intuitive user experience. Say goodbye to traditional buttons and dials, and hello to effortless swiping and tapping. For those who value cutting-edge technology and convenience, the M-Touch controls, along with Wi-Fi connectivity, twin-dose detergent dosing, and P-Wash 2.0 quick wash technology, make this washer a standout choice. But it's not just about fancy features. The WWR860WPS delivers exceptional washing performance with a wide range of efficient washing programs. Plus, it boasts an impressive A rating for energy efficiency, ensuring that it not only cleans effectively but also saves on utility costs. LG TrueSteam FH4G1 BCS2. Let's start with the basics. Capacity. With a supersized drum capable of holding loads up to 12 kilos, this machine is perfect for large households looking to tackle their laundry in style. Few washers can match the FHG1 BCS2's impressive capacity, making it a standout choice for families who demand the best. But it's not just about size. This washer is packed with features that make laundry day a breeze. We're talking about the super speedy 14-minute quick wash and the sleek digital display that adds a touch of sophistication to any laundry room. However, no product is perfect, and the FHG1 BCS2 is no exception. While it excels in many areas, there are a few omissions that prevent it from achieving perfection. For example, there's no hand wash program, which may be a deal breaker for some users. Overall, the LG TrueSteam FHG1 BCS2 is a top-tier washing machine that delivers on both performance and style. Today we've reviewed the top 5 washing machines, striving to help you find the one that best suits your needs for your home. Which machine do you think think was the most suitable for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and remember to turn on notifications to stay updated on my latest videos. Until the next video, wishing you clean and fresh days ahead. See you soon.